Hi, I'm Anna with Cypress Learning, and today I want to show you how you can use dynamic lists to suppress competitors from your email sends. So I'm already in the par.org in the Prospects tab, Segmentation Lists. From here, you will click Add List, naming this Competitor Suppression. Then you will click Dynamic List and click Set Rules. So with dynamic lists, we have the match all, which are and statements. So it's matching this and that and this and that, while match any are the or statements. So matching this or that or this or that. So for this example, I want you to click match any. We will add a new rule and we'll do prospect default field, email, contains, and now I'm going to list some of our biggest competitors. And then use a semicolon to continue adding to the list. Like I said, this is our biggest competitors out there. And then to cover all of our bases, we're already looking at the email, so looking maybe at that email domain, having that Apple, Google, Salesforce, Disney. And now we'll look at the company name. So prospect default field again, this time company, contains the same thing. So I'm just going to copy and paste. And just so everyone knows, anytime you run a list like this, it will not be case sensitive. So having a lowercase doesn't matter. It reads it as the same value. You'll use the semicolon as well to separate your lists. Now click Run Rules. So anytime you send out an email or use an engagement studio, you can apply this suppression list to exclude your competitors from your sends. Thanks for tuning in.